I didn't even want the video to be like this, but these stocks, they look nice, they look fresh. What about these? Maybe we didn't start off nicely. Okay, let's do this. Yo, what's going on? All right, okay. Yeah, so what you need to do is see, go to Google, search KDMFX. Once you're at it, to bring you this. See, if you want, you can go to the website. See, that's the website right there. That's the website right there. You find the strategies and everything else. You find the videos linked and everything else. But what I need you to do is just go to YouTube, right? Like that. Oh no! Come back. Watch the first video, which is there. Watch the first video. This one, the popular one. So what you need to do now is you like, just like everyone else has done. You subscribe. You turn on the bell notification and allow it like that, and you're good to go. Trust me, once you do that, you see a lot of change. You will definitely see a lot of change. Obviously, maybe that's the thing you're missing out on all this. Trust me, just do that. You see, something might come out. Something might come up. Anyways, happy trading. Let's continue the video. I'll teach you everything you need to know. Okay, this is because I'm more focused on Isaac. This time around, I'm focused on Isaac. The thing is, we had a conversation, I'm sure, on WhatsApp before I got rid of my WhatsApp. Yeah, so here's what happened. He made this first deposit of how much? This is 18 USD. Then, yeah, from the 18, he showed everything. He was being transparent, and he started moving. Trading crash 500. Like, you know what it is. People are always scared of lot size. Let's see what lot size does. You say 25 USD, you can't trade lot size 1. You blow your account. Okay, let's see what lot size does. Everyone was like, lot size is okay. Mara, lot size, whatever. Okay, so, yeah, so this is Isaac right here. See, everyone is busy talking about lot size. Look at this. And after this, I'm going to wipe my phone. You see? Look at this. This is just the same day. Look at this. Let's see. You see? Everyone's like, careful with your lot size, man. It's very risky. No risk, no reward. Nobody talks about my lot size. If you see, if a bad entry is always a bad entry. A bad entry will always be a bad entry. Trust me. So you see? That's what it is. The same day, moved from 18 to, you see? Let's see if 800. Here's Isaac. I think I intervened. I came with everything and stuff. Oh yeah. I'm sure I was done. You even hit, yeah, I doubled this profit that time. I don't know if there are any other videos which are available right now. Yeah, anyways, so this is just 2 minutes of everything. Like I said, you see, the next video is going to be about good entries, bad entries, and examples of risk management. Why I don't make losses. Why I use how I use this kind of lot size. Yeah, it's a live account. I don't know. Yeah. So
Okay,
if you
so
check for the
on
month,
this
is what you're going to see.
section, I'm just going to do a voiceover. So look, I saw an entry there.
Don't even trade that much, anyways.
One thing I'm just going to tell you is that
anyways, okay. We'll wrap
all
it
the
up
entries
here.
you see with the star on them are basically safe. All the entries you see with the star on them are safe. So you can take those entries, then you're going to be safe. Even if you get spiked, you still find yourself in profits. So I got spiked more than 3 times, same entry. It was a very bad one. I didn't take it. Was supposed to take it. Yeah, it was it was near resistance, which was support, which was previously going to be resistance. Lucky enough, the support which was there was strong enough, because looking at where the MACD was, the signal for the MACD was down, coming from the A20. So like I said, when the MACD is somewhere coming from the 20, yeah, it's at least safe. It's at least safe. You can take your entries from there. You won't worry about spikes that much. Market always retrace back. So these are the examples you get. The TP was not hit, because you see what the BC point was saying, it was going to spike. So it didn't really hit the entry, it spiked. And I was expecting at this point market to go all the way up, but it spiked again. It hit the same support level before making that retracement again. You see all that happening, because today the day candlestick was actually a bearish one. So it was going all the way down. The 4 hours were showing the same thing. Then there was just that support which was there near the 30 minutes. In the 30 minutes time frame, there was that support which was there, which at least made things to be possible. So as you can see, once you see the verified resistance at that point, you need to be worried. Trust me, you need to be worried. It doesn't do more than 3 retests. If it does more than 3 retests on the same resistance, you can expect at least a breakout. And it's a one which is going to save you. If you only see 2 retests on that, it will go all the way down before some other time it will come back to that point. So I was actually saved at this point, because I was in a loss of 500 USD. Cannot imagine. So let's do the math here. 500 USD. 500 USD. That was a loss of lot size what? Lot size 50. When market was ranging like that. So let's do some calculations here. So if you're trading a $20 account and you're using lot size 0.50, the same loss I found myself in right at that point of making 500 loss on your $20 account, that was going to be $5. Yeah, that was going to be $5. So which means to have set you back to something like 20. If you're trading a $25 account or a $20 account, it'd be back at 15 and waiting for you to be back in profits. So at this point, I would say 0.50 lot size is actually safe trading on a $25 account. So you don't have to worry about it. So as you can see, market just back to our entry point, and we hit our TP. We were safe before the market changed its way to the downside. Later on, you get to see all that happening. So as I was explaining, $25 account is actually safe, trading lot size 0.50. And the reason why you trade lot size 0.50 is very simple. It's very simple. It's because one is going to make money fast and it's going to grow account faster. The lot size 0.20. Lot size 0.20 is so frustrating, I'm telling you. The same good entries you take, somebody is going to make twice as much as you make, and they're going to be more safe than you are, because that small account is likely to be blown at any time. So you need to be wise on your lot size. You need to be lot size wise. Like I was trading lot size 50. If I was to hit 1,000, I lock my profit to 1,000. And the next time I'm going to trade, I'm going to increase that. So which means if I make 1,000, I'll make another 1,000. If I was to find myself in a loss, or maybe 500, I'll still be safe. So one thing I'm going to let out is the star entries. Every candle with a star underneath it, at least it becomes safe for some time. That you need to be considerate of. At least it's the one which saved me from the entry. That one had a star on it before it closed to open another one. At least I got my TP to be hit. So just look closely and you find everything you need. Enjoy the video. I think I'll explain more later on as we carry on making these videos. Just watch and see how each and every indicator is behaving, the levels it's reaching, and whatever is happening. And one thing I need to let out is, you see the moving average on the 1 minute time frame, the white one. That's a double exponential moving average. Once it's just near the candlesticks, a spike is likely to happen. Once it's near the candlesticks, if it's a downtrend, you see, it just spiked right there because of what? It was near the candlesticks, and the entry arrow was showing you that the spike was likely to happen at that point, because one, there's resistance there, and it was too strong. It was verified, no support, completely strong resistance at that point. And I'm telling you, market went all the way down from that point. So just keep on watching the white moving average touch the sticks. Also consider the Bollinger Bands. Anyways, like I said, we'll talk more as we continue making this series of videos, so that you see the insights of everything. The first bar of the 5 minutes, the blue ones, is safe. The second one, not that safe. Once you see that, if it's a downtrend, you see all those movements. Anyways, happy trading. KDMFX, enjoy the music and the rest of the video. And this last part was just to show you that market will always retrace back to the entry points. So as you can see, there's a crosshair which is just right there, which was showing where the market spiked from. That was the first entry. If you got spiked from the resistance and going all the way down to a point. And yeah, at least the first entry would have been covered after waiting for some time. Then yeah, you still not lose something. All you have to do is just calculate the amount of risk you're trying to put your account on,